appearing on behalf of S. Balakrishnan, my lords.
What is this impleading application?
My lords, we are appearing on behalf of Mr. Jayant, against whom serious allegations have been made in this case, my lords. The IA number 2, we have served the copies to the state. The petitioner is not served the copy. We will do the needful in a couple of days, my lords.
What is IA?
My lords, I appear in
the
IA
question
number 1.
first and then answer. What is IA 1 of 26? Who has filed?
Please, my lords. My lords, I appear in IA 1.
Yes.
Please, my lords.
Who is the impleading applicant?
The impleading applicant is a senior citizen. She's a social worker. Her name is Rama Nagraj. This matter deals with the various concerns that have been raised over now a period of time since last year regarding the recovery of bodies in Dharmasthala. The writ petitioner has made multiple U-turns, multiple complaints. My lords, I am not mentioned in any of his complaints earlier. Now in this writ petition, my lords may straight away take para 30 at page 24 of the writ petition. May I read, my lords?
This application has been filed by you, madam, this IA 1 of 26.
Please, my lords.
Have you filed objections to that application?
Yes, my lord. I will file, my lord. Pray for time for file objection, my lord.
What is this other IA 2 for another impleading?
But 2 is filed by us, my lords.
Filed by?
Mr. Jayant. We are representing Mr. Jayant.
It is filed by you.
Yes.
We don't know who your client is. We don't want to know. Who is the counsel is what we need.
We have filed the IA number 2.
You have filed that.
Let's see
what is the office objection on IA 2?
IA 2, it is not served on the petitioner, but we have served it on the state.
You received a copy?
On the petitioner.
No, my lord.
Petitioner
Not received the copy.
Kindly give us 2 days time, we will serve it.
Have you served IA 2 on the petitioner, madam?
No, petitioner we have not served. State we have served, my lords.
Answer.
My lords, we have served.
If you say something, you will not like it.
I'm sorry. We'll do the needful in a couple of days.
May one submission. May make one submission.
Yes.
I am appearing for R3.
R3.
Yes, my lord.
Who is R3?
The SIT, my lord.
SIT.
Yes, my lord. Now the prayer, my lord, is to complete the investigation. There is no other prayer.
Take action.
Now the
complete the investigation.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
So we have completed investigation, filed a report in November 2025 itself. Additionally, FSL report which was required to be filed, we have also filed that. Therefore, nothing survives in this petition. It need not be pending here, my lord. Let them agree by the report, my lord. Let them challenge that report if whoever wants to challenge it.
Yes.
My lords, may I just make one submission?
Yes, madam.
Please, my lords. My lords, I am not aggrieved by the report in any way. What I am pointing out to the court, if I may just be allowed to read para 30, can the process of the law
Para 30 of the petition.
Of the writ petition, yes. My lords, may have para 30, page 24. The petitioner submits that he informed the chairman of SIT about the alleged conspiracy orchestrated by the aforesaid persons. I'm not amongst the aforesaid persons. Reposing trust and confidence in the officers of the SIT, the petitioner disclosed all relevant facts before them. At this point of time, it is relevant to state that out of curiosity, the petitioner asked so-and-so and so-and-so about their source of income to conduct this frivolous litigation. It is further submitted that initially they were reluctant to discuss about the same, and even they did not inform the sources. However, later on, when they realized that the petitioner would give statement against Shri Kshetra Dharmasthala, Dr. Hegde and his family members, they disclosed that they are receiving funds from Kerala and their major source of income is from one Shrimati Rama Nagraj from Chitradurga. Subsequently, the petitioner came to know that so-and-so and so-and-so are in regular contact with the said Rama Nagraj. And she
Why
used
are
to
you
send
giving out
funds.
those two names but reading out all the other names?
No, I can read both. I can read both. I have no difficulty. It's on record.
First time we thought it was okay. Second time also you missed out.
No, only for sake of brevity, my lords, for nothing. I'm sorry if it communicated something else. Petitioner came to know that Girish Matanavar and Mahesh Shetty Thimarodi are in regular contact with the said Shrimati Rama Nagraj, and she used to send funds to them so as to bring disturbance to the sanctity of Shri Kshetra Dharmasthala. This kind of completely strange allegation is made. I am supposed to be some financer, no material particulars. This man from 3rd July 25 makes a statement, lodges an FIR, says a set of facts. The SIT is set into motion on 19th July. He does a U-turn and say, no, there are a bunch of people amongst whom he names these two, Girish and Mahesh. Then he does one U-turn and another set of investigation. The SIT arrests him. He secures bail from the Sessions Court by saying, I stand by my original statement. Alongside, he's giving 183, the 164 statements to court. None of this. His last complaint to the 8 is on 18/12/2025. I am never named. There is no whisper. Now, I come in this suddenly in this writ petition, and who am I? I am a social worker. My life's campaign has been against the very exorbitant interests that are being charged by the Shri Kshetra Dharmasthala Rural Development Project, which charges usurious interest, which they have called the meter interest colloquially. And pursuant to my work and others, the state has taken acknowledgement of these practices. The state has passed an ordinance. There is an order of the Director General of Police to look into all such exorbitant interest. Now I am being targeted in this manner so that I do not continue my work. Can the legal process be used in order to both malign me as a person?
In this petition, by impleading you, even if we were to implead you, what
Please,
can we do in this petition insofar as a respondent, what are the reliefs that you can claim in a writ petition?
My lords, I would only want to place my objections on record.
If you want to file any proceedings, you can file the proceedings against the petitioner. Now that the investigating report, final report has been filed, you can lead your evidence if permissible, which is not. What do we do in this writ petition?
My lords,
even if I'm bringing you on record.
My lords, I am simply saying that can the legal process become a way in which this sounds like some kind of not only reputational damage, but it's sounding now like an extortion racket. I don't know what he's doing. And why is he making my name after over a year? Suddenly I am in the picture.
We are not in the advisory.
I would like, I'm sorry.
Adjudicatory jurisdiction. You know what is to be done. Please do that. And there it will be considered. In this matter, it cannot be considered.
If in this manner people who are engaged in public service find their names maligned, and then there are others' interests that are getting served.
Madam, we are not saying this way or we are not saying that way, but in this situation, it cannot be done. You'll have to do it in the appropriate proceedings, whatever you choose fit. Now that the report has been filed, nothing survives in this petition. The report will be taken on record and proceeded with.
Yes.
In fact, my lords, I have instructions to my lords file impleading application insofar
Who
as
are you for now?
temple, my lords, Kshetra Dharmasala temple.
Not required.
Now, since my lords final report is filed, I have my lords
Nothing is
advised let them not to file, my lords.
Petitioner is before this court seeking for the following reliefs.
Since filed.
IA 1026 has been filed by a person against whom allegations have been made in para 30 of the writ petition.
IA 1 and 2 both, my lords.
IA 1 and 2 have been filed. The submission of Ms. Rinda Grover, learned counsel for the impleading applicant in IA 1026 is that there being false allegations which have been made against the impleading applicant, necessary action is to be taken. If at all the impleading applicant is aggrieved by any false statement made in the writ petition or otherwise, it would always be available for the impleading applicant in IA 1 of 26 as also in IA 2 of 26 to initiate such proceedings as may be advisable and permissible under law.
Okay.
It is made clear that this court has not expressed any opinion on the allegations made in the petition. Learned SPP would submit that a final report has been submitted on
November itself, November last year itself.
Last year.
Yes, my lord. And then additional FSL report which was required to be filed, we have also filed that
November 25 and FSL report has been submitted on
this month.
15/7.
date ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು
15/7
to November ಅಂದ್ರೆ
15/7.
FSL report has been submitted on 15/7/26. In that view of the matter, it submits that the reliefs which have been sought for have been rendered infructuous. The reliefs which have been sought for have been extracted above. And what has been essentially sought for is a mandamus directing the completion of the investigation. The petition having been filed on 8 June 26.
Lords. Initially, my lords, they have filed preliminary inquiry report. That is what
Final
is
report when did it?
final report 15/7 they have.
15/7, my lord.
Preliminary report was filed in November 25. Final report along with the FSL report was filed on 15/7. The above petition having been filed prior to the final filing of the final report on 8 June 26. The final report having been filed on 15/7/26. The prayers which have been sought for in the petition stand infructuous. Facing the said submission of the SPP on record, petition stands disposed.
One clarification. In fact, according to us, my lord, we filed a final report in November 2025 itself. The forensic report which required to be filed, that was filed now.
Learned learned SPP submit that according to the state, the final report had been submitted in November 2025 itself.
The
What
forensic,
was only pending was the filing of the FSL report. His submission is that the FSL report was filed on 15/7/2026. Thus, the entirety of filing the final report is completed, rendering the above petition infructuous. So on, continue.
grateful.
Grateful.
Please, my lords.
In those matters, if you are there,
My lords,
who are you?
Same application for impleading which was
No.
filed. The allegation
Impleading
That's it.
application stand disposed.
in one of the prayers, they are seeking that there has to be a direction that is given as against one complaint that he filed.
You file a certified copy, they'll give it. Otherwise, there'll be
Even though-
10,000 people who will ask them for copies.
My lord, accused number 1, petitioner is filed application, copy application before the learned magistrate court, my lord. But they have not provided the.
That you take it up there, not here.
Please, my lords.